You speak confidentially. You speak House of Modern English.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum to all of you guys. Start with the holy name of Almighty Allah, who is the monarch and the creator of the entire world. Then I would like to pay thanks to all of you guys who are listening me like right here, right now. Now I am coming towards my caption. So my caption which I am gonna versify today is: they dig your grave and they masquerade. Guys, what's the meaning of grave? That's simple. You all knows that why we guys are using the word of grave. Whenever man died, so we are shifted into the grave. So that all the things I am saying, that grave is for that body. But I am considering over one personality or a specific man that they did. No, they make your grave and they masquerade it. So what's the meaning of it? Guys, simple meaning. I'll also not go too far. I'll say about that land where I'm living, my own homeland. What are they doing? They are making a grave of that nation. They are keep slicing them. They are keep killing them. They are able to thinking that what the feeling of human are possessing, what the emotions. If I not go too far, I'll go Peshawar, Army Public School. Guys, the attack happened. Incident. Who was a blunder? A child. They died. A mother. They lose their child. A father. They lose their son, their daughter. So that same grave they did. That same grave is being made by our leaders. Our leaders whom we are saying are leaders. Our president whom we gave our precious vote and making them a good personality. That same grave made by them. But after that they all masqueraded. They all destroyed it. Even they didn't give us a single of grave. If I'll go towards Charsada, they killed the people. They burned them. They even not giving them a single grave to shift it. They even didn't give after a death. They didn't give them a place to hide themselves. So that is my thing, that is my word, what I want to say you, what I want to say to the crowd, that guys, do not believe over them, be a one and come to a head. Do not believe over your presidents, over your leaders, that they will come, they will give you a freedom, they will give you a liberty, they will not, even they will make your grave, but they will masquerade it, they will unable to give you a single of food, so how the hell is possible, they will give you a grave, that's it.
Questions, right, guys?
Let's go, Mr. Omar, please.
Well, I'm really wonder, Mr. Kuldeep, that whenever mistake comes, when it comes to our mistake, we are the really good lawyers. But when it comes to mistake of others, we are the really good judges. And the same thing is being happening with you. You are the one talking about the leaders. So what is the responsibility of each civilian who lives in this nation? You're talking about the leaders who are not good. Okay, Mr. Kuldeep, why in election time each man take the slogan of each party? Yes, that party is my party. That party I represent of that party. Why that each man does not represent that I belong of the same nation of Pakistan? You are the one talking about blame of this nation. Okay, Mr. Kuldeep, I do agree that I'm not good for this nation. So why don't you become good for this nation? Okay, I'm the leader for this nation. So why don't you become a flower for this nation? So Mr. Kuldeep, the question will be raised over here that how much you are good how much you are good in your own post. The question will be raised over here that how much good beings around you if you are the good flower. Because each man who leads this nation, they are their own leader. They are their own leader. They are their own king. So why don't you become a leader in the shape of Qaidism? Give them freedom.
Here, Umar asked question, what is your name? I said Kuldeep. Then he directly said, what will be with Syrians? So what is the meaning of that? I was not shouting for that crowd who they are going and supporting the parties. I was saying also same. I was saying that we are Pakistani. Do not support anyone. They will not give even a single grave. So that was same my word. I was saying that do not support like a people's party. Do not support any of the party. They will not give you any of the single thing whom you are shouting. Here I can see that who is our chief minister. They are unable to do a single good thing for a third parker, a child, a parent. They are dying for what? For the single morsel of food, for the single drink of water. That is not. I am shouting for that. I am shouting that be a one, come overhead. You are also saying same. Mr. Umar, that is it. I am saying on that red wall, that is the red color. No, Umar is saying no, it is the red color. So what is the difference over there? What I said, same. What you throw, same. That's it.
Okay, so the man said that nobody is working hard, nobody is. Now my
my same dialogue, why you are comparing my land with Syria? I will not throw it over here. If I talk about, okay, People's Party is not working hard, they are not doing so good, I curse them, I am against of them, I will also stand with you in the same arena and I will speak bad against them. Okay, PMLN, they are also not. But what about PTI? Is Imran Khan not the perfect man working for your land? Instead of showing that what is happening with my land, why don't you fight for the man Imran Khan working hard for us? Why don't you speak about Imran Khan? PTI person always working hard for us. Always. He gave us 1992 World Cup. He came in politics 17 years, but came with on the second number. Those 35 years people could not do as perfect as Imran Khan did in 17 years. So why you are not speaking about that? If you are speaking about that Zardari is not doing good, but there is one party, I will salute it. I will help that party and I will motivate that party. That party is just one and only PTI.
Clap for the man.
Who denied you? I didn't. I am not denying to anyone. But at the other end, you are come. For what I am shouting, my land. For what I am shouting, here I am laying. I said about the Chief Minister of Sindh, not Chief Minister of KPK. If here I am shouting, a man saying, why don't you see the positivity? Why don't I see the negativity? What is going on in my country? Here if I will show you the mark sheet of a 9 guy. There, he is failed in 5 subjects, but in 1 he is passed. I am giving him a motivation that in 1 you are passed, you are passed, you are passed. So what do you think? He will do work hard? No guy, he will not do work hard. He will make the same mentality that I passed in math, I am a great. But why don't you see the negativity that in 6 he is failed, in 6 subjects he is not working hard. That is my word to you. That why don't you see the negativity, what is going on in your country? Here people, they are dying regularly basis. Here you are saying about Imran Khan, a man is good. So where attack happened? Peshawar is in KPK, attack happened over there. APS is in KPK, Charsada is in KPK. There all the incidents are being happened in KPK. In spite of that, man is shouting that Imran Khan is good. So I can say that Sindh is more better than Imran Khan, more better than KPK. Because in our country, in our city or in our province, no childs are dying in a school. But if I compare to KPK, so childs are being dying. So whom I should appreciate? I will appreciate a man who is working hard, not to being over the procession. No, wasting our 130 days and saying I am a good. What is it?
Good. Against the right man. Same. If the people is there, a right man, what you have done for the right man. But here you are continuously castigating the people which they are corrupt. So there is no way to castigate. They are also castigated. But if you talk about Imran Khan, so men having no allegation, no having any elements, no any guilty, but in spite of that, our people is castigating. There is a conspiracy. They are attacking more and more in Peshawar. Because of that, they want to disgrace Imran Khan. They want to destroy this nation. And according to you, that your country people, what they are doing, they are dividing in different unions, different sects. So we are fighting each other that enemy will come easily attack us. So same, you are a mature guy, you can understand what's going on in our country. But in spite of that, you are seeing the dot on the wall, but you are not seeing the our whole wall which is white. You should appreciate those men, those people which are working for your country, which are giving you our prosperity, which is giving you name and fame. But you are not talking about for a single word for them, and you are keep castigating our right man that people are very rusted, people are very unable to go up. So you kind of people are demotivating our country. You kind of people are disgracing our country. If you kind of people would be there, so I would say that you kind of people would be shut up of our country, brother.
For what I am being waiting. Okay? Then after I am coming, a man is saying, men they are raising their finger against a good man. So tell me which of good men he is that. Why? We gave him power. Why? We make him a chief minister of KPK. For that he will make excuse that I am a good man. That's why they are doing attack. Mister, we gave him power for taking it. We gave him power for being a good man, for making their province as a good. But what he is doing, or at the other end, you are coming to me, saying to me that, oh, I am unable to see all over the white wall, but I am seeing only black blood dot. So yeah, you are unable to see. All the world is like, okay, what we are considering, we are recognizing our Pakistan country as a KPK. No, there is 5 provinces: Sindh, Balochistan, KPK, Gilgit-Baltistan, and whatever that are there. But why we are not seeing another one? Why we are not considering over that? We are only seeing KPK is going well. What about the rest of? Why they are not going well? I am shouting for a country. I will not be like you. Union-wise, province-wise, caste-wise, that flag, what I am having over my head, it is too good, it is too great. But I will take the flag of Pakistan and I will say, whenever, till when my country will not be clean, my country will not be good, I will shout, or I will be shouting as I am shouting now.
Clap louder.